Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover a deleted Strava activity. Accidentally deleting a workout on Strava feels like losing proof that you actually touched grass that day. But thankfully, recovering it is pretty easy. The trick is that you usually can't restore deleted activities directly from the mobile app. So open your browser instead and head to the official Strava website, look into the same account where the activity was deleted, then go to Training and open My Activities. From there, look for the recently deleted section. If your activity is still within the recovery window, you'll see a Restore button right beside it. Just press Restore, and the activity should pop back into your account like it never rage quit in the first place. Keep in mind that deleted activities are only recoverable for up to 30 days. So if it's been longer than that, Strava basically sends it to the fitness shadow room forever. I actually found this feature after deleting a run by accident while half asleep and aggressively tapping my screen like I was speed running. So before you panic and assume your cardio journey has been erased from history, definitely check the browser version first. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.